When it comes to AI language models, two names stand out: Opencode and Claude. Both promise advanced capabilities, but they serve different audiences. Opencode is positioned as an open source AI coding agent. Its focus is on developers who want transparency, customization, and direct control. Because it's open source, you can adapt it to your workflow, integrate it into your projects, and even audit how it works. That makes Opencode appealing for engineers who want flexibility and independence. But being open source also means it may lack the polished enterprise support and large scale infrastructure of commercial AI platforms. Claude, built by Anthropic, is a next generation AI assistant designed for safety, accuracy, and productivity. It's available across web, mobile, and desktop with subscription tiers ranging from free to enterprise. Claude excels at drafting content, analyzing text and images, generating code, and even integrating with tools like Slack, Excel, and Chrome. So, if you want customization and transparency and open source freedom, Opencode is the better fit. If you need enterprise grade support, then Claude is the stronger choice.